Yo, what's up guys, and I am finally back. I hope you guys had a good break. I was gonna make a really cool edit, but I'm pretty sure the song is copyrighted, so just pretend there's really cool music right now. We have made a lot of progress on the computer so far, but I want to introduce one more thing today. A month or two ago, I described some of the things I want to add to the data section of my Minecraft operating system. One of those things was a conversion function, which would convert one number system to another. Those number systems are decimal, hexadecimal, and binary. Today, I'm going to be talking about converting hexadecimal to binary and converting binary to hexadecimal. I've already talked about this quite a bit in the past, but this is a little different because I'm going to actually be displaying the binary number. First, let's talk about how the command is actually structured. First of all, you're going to have your two characters that designate its function. In this case, convert is C plus N, and then there are two arguments. The first one is the target number system. So what you want the computer to convert your number to, which number system. The second argument is the starting number system, and that is just whatever number system the inputted number is in. Let's run an example. Let's do the example where you have a hexadecimal number 10 and you want to convert it to binary. The command is going to be cn, obviously convert, bn for converting to binary, and then hx, which is your starting number system. And then all you need to do is input your 10, your hexadecimal number, and then the computer will convert to binary and spit out 0001, 0000. Now that we've seen how this works externally, let's look at how it's actually going to work internally. The first step is taking the number that you inputted and converting it to a usable binary number. I've already talked about the hexadecimal quite a bit. It's really simple because you can convert one hexadecimal digit into exactly 4 digits of binary. If you want to learn more, check out this video. But the real issue here is the binary number. How are we going to convert this displayed binary number into an actual usable binary number? Well, we can make use of something called bit shifting. For those who don't know, bit shifting, it's exactly like it's named. It takes a binary number and shifts all of its bits in one direction or another. So what I can do is start with a base number, just 0, and then I can look at and compare every single of the 8 digits entered. And so I go to the first one, and I can just use a simple equal to or not equal to operation. If it is equal to 1, I add a 1 to this base number, and if it's 0, I add nothing, I add a 0. And then once I've checked a digit, I shift the number up or to the left 1 bit. And I do this for every single digit. And by doing this, I can construct a usable binary number from 8 separate numbers that you inputted onto the screen. And now that we have our usable binary number, we just have to look at, the computer just has to look at the target number system. And then it can do all these steps backwards to convert to binary or hexadecimal, or in the future, normal decimal. So this was just a simple video on what I have so far with my conversion function. I can convert from binary to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to binary. Next video, I'm going to be adding the new number system, just normal decimal, and talk about the algorithm for converting from decimal to binary or binary to decimal. So stay tuned for that, and peace.